Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedant's World. And you're wondering, Vedant, why don't you have keep in the bowls or anything? Yeah, because I made from this. It's a castle. And I didn't look from the book, I did it from my mind. Is that cool? Yes, right? So I will dismantle everything and show you how to make it. It looks complicated? No, it isn't. It's very easy to make. Give me a second. Dismantling moment. Okay, my father is also here.
I can help you?
Yeah, you can help me with the pieces that I can't take out.
Okay, give me half of this.
Oh, you just took it out. I broke this. Yeah. Just give us a second, please. You have to dismantle everything.
Hope you will remember things.
What? Of course, I'm a memory man.
And you made it from your mind only.
So I will remember it, obviously. You can show the pieces to them.
Okay, here you go.
Now I will show you how to make it.
Okay.
So first we will make this, we'll put the base in the last. Yeah. Okay, you have to take these two long pieces. I'll put it here. This is the doorway. And these two pieces here. This is how I actually made it. Before these two, we will first put on this piece this pink color, and if you have this you can follow me also, and this pink this side. And now we will fix it. And wait just a second, before fixing we'll put two red blocks here. If they can see, just manage that please. Can they see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put this pink. I'm just worried for you guys. Just imagine my father didn't set up the seeing and then none of you guys can see what I'm doing right now. Just imagine. See, this much is done already. See how easy it is. You told it is hard before starting. You told it is freaking hard. Now we'll put this on here like this. I'll put these pieces. I wanted to put them in the end, but now we have time, so we'll put it. And like there are glass pieces, I put one glass piece on this. I call this a camera. Yep, one and one. It kind of looks like a camera. Yeah, done. Now I'll fix this here. Okay, and now we have this empty space. In this empty space, I'll just put these corner to corner. You saw what we are making, and now we are making it right now to show you how to make it. Just a second, I'll put all four. Yeah, four pieces. See, you can see till now this much is done. Okay, and now we will put these pieces. No, I'm just kidding. I almost forgot. We'll put this piece here, as you can see, and this piece. Wait, just a second, I'm finding the pieces. Yeah, these pieces here, these round pieces. I'm forgetting, really, but I just remembered. And these two tiny pieces here on the edges. Okay, now we will put this. I was confused when to put it. We'll put one here and we'll put one here. These pieces Wait. We'll extend this one. I almost forgot. We'll have to extend it. And we'll put one here. And now we will put these. See, now these pieces also came. Oops. Okay. And now we will put this last piece here. Oh, wait, I put it upside down. There we go. So we are done. I'll just show you. There we go. We have a castle. Let's go. We have a castle. Okay, did you like it? I hope you liked it. If you like it, press that like button, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So for now guys, bye, and I'll make another one like this. Bye.